Get ready for a historic moment in space exploration. Today, SpaceX is set to launch its 10,000th Starlink satellite, and you're invited to witness this remarkable milestone live. The Falcon 9 rocket, a powerful vehicle in SpaceX's fleet, will carry 28 Starlink satellites into low Earth orbit, LEO, from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. This launch, scheduled for a 4-hour window starting at 7:46 p.m. EDT, marks a significant step in SpaceX's journey to provide global internet coverage through its Starlink constellation. SpaceX has been steadily building its Starlink network since 2018, when it launched its first 2 prototype satellites. Since then, the company has sent a total of 9,988 Starlink satellites into space, with most of them still active and providing service to millions of customers worldwide. The pace of these launches has been truly remarkable, with SpaceX launching 89 Starlink missions in 2024 alone and showing no signs of slowing down. But here's where it gets controversial. SpaceX has permission to launch up to 12,000 Starlink satellites, and the mega constellation could potentially expand to over 30,000 spacecraft. This has sparked debates among astronomers and space enthusiasts about the potential impact on the night sky and space debris. Despite these concerns, SpaceX continues to push the boundaries of space-based internet, aiming to provide reliable and high-speed connectivity to even the most remote areas of the globe. And this is the part most people miss. Each Starlink satellite has a relatively short operational life of about 5 years. This means that SpaceX is constantly working to replenish its constellation, ensuring a consistent and reliable service. If all goes according to plan, the Falcon 9's first stage will return to Earth, landing on the SpaceX drone ship Of Course I Still Love You in the Pacific Ocean about 8.5 minutes after liftoff. This particular booster, designated 1088, will have completed its 11th launch and touchdown mission. Meanwhile, the rocket's upper stage will continue its journey, delivering the 28 Starlink satellites to their intended orbit, where they will be deployed approximately 60 minutes after launch. So are you excited to witness this historic launch? What are your thoughts on SpaceX's ambitious plans for Starlink? Join the discussion in the comments and let us know your thoughts on this groundbreaking space mission.